Here is the story of two brothers, Bali and Sugriv, which appears in the popular mythological epic Ramayana. In a town of Kishkindha, near the river Pampa, the kingdom was ruled by monkeys. Bali and Sugriva were two brothers who had a dispute over their kingdom. Bali, son of Indra and the eldest, was stronger and vulnerable than Sugriv, son of Surya. One day, an enemy named Mayavi attacked their kingdom and Bali decided to destroy it. In the process of their fights, both entered a cave and Bali instructed Sugriva to guard the cave till he returns. Sounds of their roaring fights whirled Sugriva's ears, and he waited for nearly a month, but neither of them came out, and so he thought that Bali being killed. With grief he returned and became the king of Kishkindha. However, one fine day Bali returned and thought that Sugriv had betrayed him. He grew up with anger, and being stronger, he defeated Sugriv and his team. He took the kingdom and his wife forcefully from Sugriv, recaptured his power and authority as king, and became his enemy forever. Sugriv was a kind-hearted monkey at his nature. He and his friends, Nal, Neel, Jambavant and Maruti stayed together. Maruti or Hanuman, one of his dear friend and minister of his army, was very powerful and intelligent monkey. Maruti, meaning guard of power, was the son of Vayu god. His mother Anjana was an angel in heaven. They all lived safely on Rishimukh mountain, as Bali could not reach this place due to a curse placed on him. Once, Ram and Lakshman reached the Rishimukh mountain searching for Sita, wife of Rama. Rama told his whole story to Sugriv and his team. Sugriv and Maruti agreed to help Rama in rescuing Sita only if he helped them to kill Bali and regain them the kingdom of Kishkindha. Rama promised in the killing of monster Bali and to hand over the kingdom of Kishkindha to Sugriv, and in return Sugriv and his team would extend their help towards Rama in killing the evil demon Ravan to rescue Sita from Lanka. All the monkeys' team greeted, and there was happiness all over. Rama instructed Sugriv to challenge Bali for a wrestling match, and he will kill Bali. The battle started between Bali and Sugriv. Both the brothers looked so alike that Rama got confused to aim his arrow. So he asked Sugriv to wear a garland to recognize him, and the battle started again. Rama disguised behind a tree and aimed his arrow directly on Bali's heart. He fell to death. Rama helped Sugriv to win, and he got back his kingdom of Kishkindha. Bali's son Angad was assisted to render his help in the war against Ravan. Injured Bali asked Rama the reason to kill him though he wasn't his enemy. Rama replied that though Sugriv was his younger brother and his wife is like a mother, he forcefully took and made her his wife. Due to this cunning sin, which is unpardonable, and Rama's friendship to Sugriv made him to kill Bali. Maruti had the responsibility of searching Sita, and as he had the power to fly, he easily crossed over the large ocean and found Sita. With the help of Sugriv, Maruti and their army, Rama succeeded in reaching Lanka, destroyed the evil demon Ravan and rescued Sita.